Good morning mga ka-showbiz. Ito na ang ating latest update para sa Barda sa araw na ito. Naku po, Barbie Fortesa engaged na in a private ceremony. Tara't pag-usapan at bigyan ng komento at reaction. Pero bago po tumaas ang kilay, nais ko lang po kayong pasalamatan mga ka-showbiz at mga kapwa Barda fans ko dyan sa patuloy niyong pagsubaybay at panunood dito sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kaya naman kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-subscribe na at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz. Panoorin at pakinggan ang buong detalye at ikaw na ang humusga.
The buzz skyrocketed when reports began circulating that Barbie Fortesa had quietly held a private engagement ceremony attended by only 10 close guests. The exclusivity of the rumored event immediately sparked curiosity across social media. Fans were quick to ask the biggest question of all: who was the mystery partner? Because the gathering was said to be extremely intimate, details were scarce, which only fueled even more speculation online. Screenshots, fan theories, and speculative timelines flooded platforms as people attempted to piece together what might have happened behind closed doors. Unlike the grand, highly publicized engagements that often dominate celebrity headlines, this rumored ceremony reportedly focused on intimacy rather than spectacle. According to insiders, the small gathering centered on meaningful conversations, heartfelt moments, and the presence of only those closest to the actress. Family members and a few trusted friends were said to be present, creating an atmosphere that felt personal and sincere rather than performative. This approach stood out in the world of show business, where life milestones are often celebrated in the spotlight with elaborate announcements and glamorous photo shoots. Observers also noticed a subtle shift in Barbie's online presence around the time the rumors surfaced. Known for her playful, cheerful posts and lively interactions with fans, some followers felt that her tone had become slightly more reflective. Captions appeared thoughtful and emotional, which many fans interpreted as a sign that something important might be happening in her life. These small changes sparked deeper analysis across fan pages, with people examining every post for hidden meaning. Online sleuths began studying photos shared during that period, carefully zooming in on details that might hint at an engagement. Fans looked at outfits, hand positions, jewelry, and even background decorations in images posted by Barbie and those in her circle. Some believed certain details, like the presence of elegant floral arrangements or coordinated attire, could point to a small but meaningful celebration. What made the story spread so widely wasn't just the rumor itself, but the emotional message behind it. Many fans admired the idea that Barbie might have chosen to celebrate a life milestone quietly, away from the intense spotlight that often surrounds celebrities. In an era where personal moments are frequently broadcast to millions instantly, the thought of a private, heartfelt engagement felt refreshing. Online discussions soon shifted from pure speculation to admiration. Supporters praised Barbie for possibly prioritizing authenticity and genuine connection over publicity. They described the rumored event as a reminder that meaningful life moments don't always need grand announcements to matter. Whether the story is eventually confirmed or remains a mystery, the conversation surrounding it captured the imagination of fans. It highlighted themes of love, privacy, and intentional celebration, showing that sometimes the quietest moments can create the loudest conversations.
Kala ko po, parang ako dun nagulat ako dun mga ka-showbiz, mga kapwa-Barda fans ko dyan yung engagement ng pasikreto lang. Para kasing yung puso ko tumatalon. Kasi naalala nyo ba na nag-flex ng sing-sing yung dalawa, si Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco, kung naaalala nyo yun, di ba? Marami nagsasabi daw yun, yung symbolic ring daw ng ng Barda. Kaya lang may lumabas naman na ganitong balita, hindi kaya Yun yung engagement ring nila. Oh no! Ano kaya, no, mga ka-showbiz, mga kapwa Barda fans ko dyan, kung yun talaga yun, ano kaya ang masasabi ng mga bashers ng Barda, lalo na po yun ang babash kay David Licauco. Siyempre, ganun din kay Barbie Fortesa, no, yung solo-solo nilang basher. Bukod dun sa basher nilang tandem na Barda. Well, para sa akin, honestly, mga ka-showbiz, mga kapwa Barda fans ko dyan, medyo parang nalilate na talaga ako sa mga balita dahil nabibisi po talaga tayo ngayon sa ginagawa nating pagsuporta kay Congressman Elisan Fernando na pagbubuwag ng provincial rate. Kaya minsan nakikita nyo medyo hindi tuloy-tuloy yung pag-upload po natin. Ganyan pa man, pinangako ko nga sa inyo hahabol po tayo at babawi po ako sa inyo mga ka-showbiz at mga kapwa Barda fans ko dyan. So balik tayo dito sa issue na o balita na about sa ayun nga, engagement ni Barbie Fortesa. Wala naman po talaga akong ibang naiisip na lalaki na pwedeng ka-engage nito ni Barbie kundi si David Licauco lang. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi po ako naniniwala dun sa relasyon nila ni Jameson Di Umano, relasyon ni Barbie kay Alden Richard o kung sino pa mong mga lalaki. Parang hindi po talaga eh. Kasi naalala nyo ito sa akin lang to mga ka-showbiz ito ay ano ko lang opinion ko. Nung naalala nyo dati, di ba, nung naghiwalay sina Barbie at Jack Roberto, ang daming tinuturong dahilan nun si David Licauco dahil nga yung level o nag-level up yung actingan nila doon sa pinagtambalan nila doon, yung pinagbibidahan ni Dennis Trillo at ni Barbie Fortesa. Sino ba kalab team ni Dennis Trillo? Yung basta doon si Barbie Fortesa at ito si David Licauco na gumanap na bilang hapon. 'Di ba? Doon nakita kasi ng lahat na na yung acting nila, lalo na pagkadating doon sa nag-express ng damdamin parang atotohanan na. Diba, nakita nila na natural na yung mga ginagawa nila kasi tapos biglang nagkaroon ng issue na naghiwalay na, nag-break up na si ganto ganyan. Tapos ang puro lumalabas na pangalan nun, puro kay David Licauco. Kaya doon ako nakukumbinsi na baka nga si David yung maswerteng lalaki na engage nito ni Barbie Fortesa. Pero kayo mga ka-showbiz, kung may naiisip kayo, may komento kayo, o may nalalaman kayo patungkol dito sa balitang ito, komento nyo na dyan sa ating comment section. Para naman kaming kulang sa kaalaman, magkaroon din ng panibagong kaalaman. So, yun lang mga ka-showbiz at mga kapwa Barda fans ko dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at kung umabot kayo dito sa dulo ng ating video, ako po'y lubusang nagpapasalamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Para sa mga bagong balitang showbiz, ugaliing tumutok dito sa ating channel at mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz.